You are going to love the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius XM radio, compass, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.